Hello there. Welcome back, everybody. Are you wondering how to transform those neat foot snaps into a thriving online business? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the world of selling foot pictures effectively on FeetFinder. Whether you're a newbie or looking to polish your sales tactics, these insider tips will guide you on how to attract buyers and boost your sales. Let's step right in. Crafting your online portfolio. Kick off by building an impressive portfolio. Your online gallery is the first thing potential buyers see, so make it look professional and attractive. Include a variety of styles and settings in your photos to showcase versatility. Remember, a well-rounded portfolio appeals to a broader audience, increasing the chances of your sales. Maintaining an active online presence. Consistency, my friends, is key in the digital marketplace. Maintain an active presence, not just by posting regularly, but by also engaging with your community. Share updates, participate in discussions, and keep your profile vibrant with new content. An active profile keeps buyers coming back and attracts new ones. Engaging directly with potential buyers. Engagement doesn't end at posting photos, guys. Remember, responding to direct messages and comments personally can significantly boost your buyer relationships. Be prompt and personal in your DMs to show your potential buyers that you value their interest and their time. This personal touch can be the difference between a one-time buyer and a repeat customer. Professionalism in all communications. Professionalism goes a long way. Whether it's a comment, a direct message, or any form of customer interaction, keep your communication professional. This builds trust and credibility, and it makes buyers feel secure in their transactions with you. Remember, a professional reputation can attract more buyers and even more premium prices. To sum it all up, attracting buyers on FeetFinder involves more than just beautiful pictures. It's about building a professional portfolio, maintaining an engaging online presence, interacting effectively, and communicating professionally. Implement these strategies and you'll see your efforts turn into profits. Okay, are you ready to turn those foot pics into cash? I knew you were. So head on over to FeetFinder, get yourself verified, and start applying these tips today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content and check out our channel for additional resources. Thank you so much for tuning in, and here is to your success in the foot pic market.